Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Marvel Rivals on your PC step by step. Let's get started. First, click the link provided in the description of this video. Once the page opens, press play now. From there, select NetEase Games, and the Marvel Rivals installer will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer to open it. When prompted, press Yes to allow the installation. Next, choose your installation folder and press Install. Wait for the launcher to finish installing. Once the launcher opens, select your preferred installation drive and press Install. Now, sit tight while Marvel Rivals downloads and installs. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, press Start Game. When the NetEase Games window appears, log into your existing account or register a new one. After logging in, press Yes to launch the game. Next, press the Start Game button. When prompted, press Yes to allow Marvel Rivals through your firewall. Accept the terms and conditions, then create your username. And that's it. You're ready to play. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy Marvel Rivals.